We will be pickling beetroot today. Let's place half a kilogram of beetroot in a pot and fill it with water until they are fully covered. They need to boil on low heat until they soften, approximately for half an hour. After the pot cools down for 5 minutes, you can take the beetroot out of it and chop them. To pickle them, we would need 1 tablespoon of rock salt, 100 ml of vinegar, and 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. We can now transfer the chopped beetroot in a jar. We are using a 660 cc jar for this recipe. If you would like your pickled beetroot to have more water, then you can use a bigger jar. I transferred a cup of boiled beetroot water from the pot to a mixing bowl. I am now adding 100 ml of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of rock salt to it. I am thoroughly mixing it, and now I am adding a teaspoon of sugar to this mix. I am now pouring this mixture into the jar. We now need to close its lid tightly and store it in a cool and dry place. You can start using them in 2 to 3 days. Enjoy!